For us to integrate this, we are going to make use of the trigonometric identity. So I'm going to create a negative 2 here. To achieve that, I'm going to have a negative half outside, so I can have a negative 2 here. Then I will have a sine of 2mx, then sine of 2nx dx. And for this, we can now apply trigo identity factor formula. So minus half will still be as it is. This over here, applying the factor formula, it will be cosine of this plus this. So it will be cosine of 2mx plus 2nx minus away cosine of this minus this. So it will be 2mx minus 2nx dx. Let me bring the negative in. So this will be half. Then what I'll have is going to be a cosine of 2mx minus 2nx minus away cosine of 2mx plus 2nx dx. Let me just do one more simplification. I'm going to factorize out 2 and x. So this will be cosine of factorizing out 2 will leave me with a mx minus nx, and I factorize out x. I'm going to write it behind here. I'm going to do the same thing for what I have here. So this is minus cosine of 2 of m plus n x dx. Now we are ready to execute the process of integration finally. So integrating this, it will give me a sine of 2 of m minus n x. And since 2m minus n is just the coefficient of x, we'll divide this by the coefficient of x, which is 2 of m minus n. Then minus away, this will also be a sine of 2 of m plus n x. And this is the coefficient of x, so I'm going to divide this by 2 of m plus n. And this, let's not forget, plus c. Let's factorize out half. So I will have a 1/4. So my final answer will be sine of 2m minus nx divided by m minus n, and minus sine of 2 of m plus nx divided by m plus n plus c.